Here we're going to show you how to remove the radio CD player from VW Tiguan 2011, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is the Torx size T15 screwdriver, and then this yellow dashboard removal tool. The first step, you pop up this cover on the top of the radio, and then there is one for the passenger airbag. You pop it up. You don't need to disconnect it, you just pop it up, and then you pop up the bezel around the radio. But before you're doing that, you take the two screws out, the size T15 on both sides, and then you pop up the bezel around the radio. And then once you do that, then you will be able to see the mounting screws which holding the radio. There's two on the passenger side and then two on the driver's side. Once you get these four screws out, and then you can pull the whole radio forward. And these are the connector in the back. And to disconnect this connector in the back, you just need to push this tab and just roll it over the plug, and then you remove it. And if you need any repair for this radio, CD player, or if your car has a navigation, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.